Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You sign into your Amazon Associates dashboard now. Don't pause. Once logged in, make sure your account is verified and you have the bank routing and account numbers at hand. You need to confirm identity details and tax information before changing payments because Amazon validates both. Next, go to the payment and tax section. You'll start the update there. This step avoids delays later and ensures payments aren't interrupted. Proceed when ready. You're now in Payment and Tax. Select Edit on Payment Method to continue. Choose the option you prefer, direct deposit for faster transfers, or check if you need paper payments. Then enter bank routing and account numbers exactly as shown on a statement. Once done, Amazon may send a micro deposit to verify the account, so watch your bank for small test amounts. Make sure to confirm those amounts in the dashboard. That step finalizes verification and authorizes future payouts. You save the new details and then confirm the changes. Immediately check the next payout schedule to ensure it reflects the new method. If verification fails, make sure you didn't transpose digits, select the correct account type, and allow 24 to 48 hours for micro deposits. If problems persist, contact Amazon Associates Support and provide screenshots of your saved settings and bank notifications. Troubleshooting tip: verify bank name matching exactly as Amazon shows.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.